579 infringement notices issued in the last 24 hours. It is a large number, but it's just reflective of Commissioner Fuller's commitment to policing and compliance around the public health orders. The message, if it's not already there, people must really start to understand and take heed that if you are going to breach public health orders anywhere in this state, you will be caught. The time is over in terms of warnings and cautions. Policing will continue at this level, not just tomorrow, not just this week, but over the next 21 days when we have police rostered to perform the Operation Stay at Home, and we'll continue to do that right across the state, reassessing every single day at the Police Operations Centre and matching our activity to where the police should be. A couple of incidents of note. Our welfare and compliance teams, Australian Defence Force and New South Wales Police, working together on the back of contact tracing information, went to a home in southwest Sydney yesterday morning and found a person that should be there, wasn't there. They made a number of inquiries and not that long after, that person returned to the front of the house in a motor vehicle. That person was spoken to by police and ADF, was issued a penalty infringement notice, stated that he'd hopped in his car and went out for some fresh air and hadn't been anywhere else. But the point is that if you are going to behave like this, yesterday over 2,300 houses visited. If you're going to behave like this, if you're going to step outside the health orders, you will be checked on. And you will get an infringement notice, and that person will continue to be checked on and make sure that they comply. There was another incident at Villawood where ADF and police went to that home to check on the welfare of people and the fact that a gentleman in the home was actually there. After some inquiries, it was found that his pregnant wife and children were feeling unwell, and that whole family, on the back of that welfare and compliance visit, were transported by New South Wales ambulance to hospital. I would also like to indicate that yesterday, police at Newcastle, after extensive investigations in terms of a number of parties at the back end of July, have issued court attendance notices to a man and two young ladies, and further infringement notices for people who attended that address at Sandgate near Newcastle over the last 2 or 3 days of July. Thank you.